Hey, how you doing? Thank you for coming to this video. And today's video, what I'm going to be sharing with you is it's a little small review that I did of the Conversion Pros. It's like a Conversion Pros review 2019. They added some new features with the dashboard, with the back office. So I'm going to be diving into my computer, showing you a little tour of the new and improved features that I did versus the old. Now, if you've never seen the Conversion Pros or anything like that, I'm gonna be showing you also the old version and the new version as well. So stay tuned just on the other side of this break. Okay, yeah, we're back. I'm here on my Conversion Pros in the back office. I just logged in there. I don't have anything script or anything together for this video. I'm just basically gonna, be talking, on the fly with this video. But I just want to kind of share with you the back office of the Conversion Pros and some of the new features and some of the stuff that they got laid out, which at the time of shooting this video is June the 11th, 6/11/2019. This has been out for a little over about a month now, the new layout. If you've seen the old layout. Now, if you've never seen the Conversion Pros or anything like that, then this is the brand new layout. I'm gonna show you the old layout. So when you log in, or matter of fact, first before I say anything, the Conversion Pros, if you're not a member of this is a marketing tool suite to where you can build out unlimited capture pages, landing pages, bridge pages, autoresponders where you can set up unlimited autoresponders. I mean, it just got so much here, but it's a all-in-one tool suite, and for right now, you're able to test drive this for free without even using a credit card or putting anything in for 2 weeks for 14 days. 14 days, 2 whole weeks you can use this absolutely free. So let me get that out of the way. So now, let me share with you the old back. I'm gonna scroll down. So right down here on resources, if I slip down there, I can see what says original office. I can go there. Sorry, I had to bring my browser down because it kind of flies off and doesn't go. But this is the original layout. Let's go 100 back to reset. This is the original layout right here, the way it was when you logged in. This is the old way. And then it took a lot of stuff all out and put it into the new. This is what's left in the old, so there's nothing there on resources anymore. Well, yeah, there's a couple of things there, and the new TCP Backoffice portal right here, so I can click right here to go to the new one. But what they didn't put on the new one is still some of the stuff still here on the old one. And they still left some things, here. So I guess they're still transferring stuff over. But right here, you can see some of the stuff that's you go to TCP marketing suite, external capture page, and QR code builder, and some other things is not in the new one. So let me click on the new one. I think you can get to the new one right here. Let's see. Yeah. So let me go back to reset. So see, there's no QR code builder and stuff like that, and the external capture page builder is not in this. They haven't brought it over to this one yet. But this is pretty cool layout the way they got it. What I really love about it, before when you come to the home page, like here, you can click on the tab and it'll bring you to the home, which this is the back office home page. And before, it used to be all kind of stuff that you can click on up here and around here to go to different things like trainings and tutorials on how to set up all these different pages, the page builder, the content, all this stuff had training tutorials when you clicked on them, and it also had it down here. Well, now you can go to this question mark, and now you can go to all or FAQs or videos, or you can go to tutorials, and right here you can go to tutorials, and now you can click on whatever you want to get a tutorial on. So that's, I really like this. This is really organized, really nice, but I haven't clicked on this yet. So see, now you can go and look at a lot of different, you know, webinars and just different videos that he's done on YouTube and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Let's click on one. Let's see, the Conversion Pros Overview Webinar 2019. Click on that and see it comes up there into the training, into the back office portal. So, and you can get the link for it. That's pretty cool. And you can play it right there. So basically taking a tour, showing you the new layout, and you can get the link to this video, I believe. Yeah. So pretty cool. Like I say, FAQs, you know, tutorials or whatever, and then up here you got tools, and you can go to whatever you want, like from this way too. So you got the mobile app. This is where you get a lead, and your lead comes directly on the mobile app. The app, you can see who came through, phone numbers. You can interact straight with your prospects right on the mobile app. You can email them from the mobile app. You can text them. You can call them. You can see where they came from. I mean, you can do everything with the mobile app. It's really, really nice. So that's a few of the features. You can buy leads. I bought some leads right here. You can go order leads. You can see your lead status. You share codes. You can share your landing page codes and your autoresponder codes, and you know, people on your team or people that's coming in under you or with you or whatever. You can share your share codes, and they can have the exact same funnel, the exact same autoresponder messages going out and things of that nature. So everything is really, really cool. Like I said, when I came back to this part of the video, I don't have anything scripted. Nothing is in order of basically what I want to talk about on this video. I just basically want to do a little small review. Another video that I'm gonna do on the Conversion Pros is gonna be a really more in tune and more in depth review, because there's so much stuff in the Conversion Pros that the video can really, you can do a 30-minute to 45-minute to an hour video easily, just going over every single thing that's in, not even every single thing, but just so many things that's in with the Conversion Pros. So look, if this is something that like you need for your business, especially, you know, if you're a network marketer, you definitely need a system like this, because you're able to automate your business. You're able to just create something and then drive traffic through it, and you can have everything working on complete autopilot using a system like this. And then you're able to follow up with your prospects wherever you are, you're on the go, whatever. You'll be notified on your app, and bam, you can send a text, or you can have a pre-written text sending them straight to their inbox or their email, or straight to their text message. It's really no-brainer. So that's all I wanted to share with you. You got the website, webinar builder. A lot of the stuff is still like everything's basically still the same as far as the stuff goes, like the actual apps or actual stuff like this webinar builder. And I click on it. it's just they got a new feature, you know, and they got a new, should say, feel and look and feel. That's and everything's in order differently, but all the stuff that you was using on the old one, you still use it the same way on the new one. It's just a different look and feel. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any questions, or hit the like button if you like what I share with you, and be on the lookout for another Conversion Pros video that I have up and coming. Just keep that, Lewis. Thank you. Have a great day and a great evening wherever you are. Peace out.